Hello, good day everyone. I'm Tefs. Welcome to this channel. Today's repair is another 32 inches Samsung LED TV. No power and no standby indicator light. I will show you how to repair it, and what the caused why this TV is not turning on. If you like this content, so please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I post a new videos like this. So let's get started. A bloated capacitor comes into sight. This may be the reason why this TV is not turning on. Seems one of these diodes is shorted. The main capacitor is been discharged. On a double-side printed board is when the desoldering of a component is not easy. You need a higher temperature soldering iron to do it. I'm using an adjustable soldering iron at 60 watts. Desoldering pumps do not always do the job. Adding soldering lead also makes the desoldering way easier. Only one of these diodes is shorted. This diode is the main 12-volt supply. (470 microfarad 25 volts) is the 12 volts filter. You need to replace them both. Don't mix it with a different type or value. (1000 microfarads 25 volts) is okay to replace the 470 microfarads 25 volts. Replacing all the defective components is complete. Now I will plug it in, and see the result. Now the 12 volts is present. with all the necessary wires connected. Seem the TV is okay now. The diode is not generating heat. It is working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the content, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Once again, I'm Tefs. See you again next time. Bye for now.